You.
Becca.
I'm camcording her. Kinley, open.
Careful.
Oh, Todd Senior.
You're open.
Where's he at?
Tasha, close those blinds real quick. It's blurring out her picture. Hey, it's important. I'm doing this.
Where's yours at, Tasha?
Right here. Don't throw.
Wait a minute. Somebody close the blinds. The baby's picture's getting blinded out. Somebody close those real quick, please. Hurry, hurry. We're blinding out the baby. I can't see what it's
Look
doing.
at the baby.
Oh.
Where's ours together, Becca?
Yeah, thanks, Becca. That's a lot better.
Right here.
Kinley got a cabbage patch. Ask her to tell.
Around and you're like, jeez. Yeah, I was like, what?
Look at the name of your cabbage. Whoa.
Uh-oh.
Say, Mommy, look at the name of the cabbage patch.
Carmen.
There, you got your Carmen, Mommy. Now, don't use that name.
Ain't she
We
pretty?
decided on Cameron now.
Okay, open another present because I got the camera going.
Because it's my favorite show.
Give her another one, Todd.
She's trying to
Yeah.
open that.
There's not cold, but we
What you got? What you got?
See? See, Grandma?
You got a baby.
Did her get a baby?
Give it kisses. Pap, give her another gift. Aw.
Oh, Kinley. Kinley. Hey, sweeties.
She wants the baby out of the box.